So in this video we will see the detection of DDoS attacks on the Wi-Fi router. We will be using the Wireshark tool to analyze the wireless router packets, and we will see in the sniffed packets that it contains DDoS packets, which determines that a DDoS attack is um, happening on the wireless router. So to start this, first we will launch the attack and then we analyze the packet using the Wireshark. So first we found out our network interface card name using command if config. So our wireless network interface card name is WLP2S0. So first we will use Airmon NG tool to put our network interface card into the monitor mode. uh, Airmon NG start and the network interface card name WS0. Sorry. uh, okay. Okay, so it's saying that these these processes are interfering with our network interface card, so we will have to kill those all the processes which are using our network interface card. So I'll just command kill to kill the network manager. 3909 is the PID of the network manager process. Okay, now we can use command airmon ng to see which processes which are still running and using our network interface card. So command name is this, airmon ng. Okay, so if it returns nothing, it means that no other processes are using our network interface card. Okay, try it one more time. Okay, so now it does not return anything. This means that one sec. Okay, so it does not return anything. This means that no other processes are using our network interface card. So now we can run this command airmon ng start WLP2S0. Okay, so you can again use if config command to save network interface card name. So it says that the card name is changed to WSP2S0 mon. This means that it is not into monitor mode, and you can use again this command to see that it is in the monitor mode. So you can see that it is in the monitor mode. Monitor mode already enabled for this on network interface card. Now what we have to do is that we will launch the Wireshark. So I'll just launch with the terminal on the terminal. So sudo Wireshark. Okay, so you can see that our network interface card name, and we will be capturing the packets on this interface WLP2S0 which is the name of our wireless network interface card, and we will apply one filter called WN type data or WN type MGT subtype DDoS or subtype. So what basically it does so since there are a lot of packets which will flood through our wireless router, so by applying this filter we will see only those packets which are either data packets or management related packets. And also we applied one subcategory which is called DDoS or subtype deassociation. So it will also filter all the packets which are DDoS packets or disassociation packet. So we'll start capturing. As you can see that it is not now capturing any packet because because we applied a filter. So once we launch the attack, then we'll start capturing the packet. So we'll go to our terminal and launch our air replay attack on the Wi-Fi router. So first we get our Wi-Fi router name with aerodump scan. So we can use command aerodump ng Wi-Fi router network interface card name WLP2S0 mon. So you can see that these all the Wi-Fi routers which are available. We'll be using this FS Wi-Fi 22 is 0, which is my router, and serial number 88, and this is the BSS ID. So you can quit this command, and now we'll start our replay attack using air replay command. Before launching attack, we will have to select the channel number 8, so we can use it using command awconfig, and network interface card name WP2S01 channel number 8. Okay, now we have to launch the replay attack. -0 minus a BSS ID of the network interface card, and network interface card name. As you can see that it starts continuously sending the DOR packets to our Wi-Fi router, and now in Wireshark it also captures all the packet, and you can open any packet. It's all the deauthentication packets. So by analyzing our Wireshark, we can detect that a deauth attack is happening on our router. Thank you.